How to top up a PayPal account with a credit card. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to top up a PayPal account with a credit card. To see all transfer options for Central and South American countries, visit the PayPal Offerings Worldwide page and select a specific country. To withdraw money from your PayPal account, go to Wallet. Now click Transfer Money and then click Transfer to your bank. After that, follow the on-screen instructions. To withdraw money on the app, tap your PayPal balance. Next, tap Transfer Money and then tap Transfer to Bank and follow the instructions. If you selected Instant Transfer, you should see the money in your bank account in minutes, but this time frame may vary depending on the bank. If you don't see the money in your bank account after 30 minutes, contact your bank for more information. Their team members can change the status of your transfer. The standard transfer to your bank is completed in 1 business day, but depending on your bank's clearing process, it may take 3 to 5 business days. Keep in mind that holidays aren't business days. Standard transfers to your eligible debit card takes approximately 48 hours. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.